Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore an OVHcloud server after accidental file deletion, full guide step by step clearly. Before you begin the restoration process, ensure you have administrative access to your OVHcloud server. Log into your OVHcloud control panel. Navigate to the dedicated cloud or VPS section, depending on your server type. Locate the server from which you accidentally deleted files. Check if your server has any backup options enabled. If you have an existing backup, click on the Backup tab. Select the backup date that is closest to the time before the deletion occurred. Review the contents of the backup to confirm it contains the files you need to restore. Once confirmed, initiate the restoration process. This may involve selecting the Restore option. Follow any prompts to confirm the restoration settings. Choose whether to overwrite existing files or restore them to a different location. Wait for the restoration process to complete. This may take some time depending on the size and number of files being restored. After the restoration finishes, log into the server via SSH or your preferred method. Navigate to the directory where the files were restored. Verify the integrity of the restored files to ensure everything is back in place. If no backup was available, consider using a file recovery tool. Research and select a file recovery software compatible with your server environment. Follow the instructions provided by the recovery tool to scan and attempt to recover deleted files. In the case of extreme data loss, consider reaching out to professional data recovery. Establish a regular backup schedule moving forward to prevent future data loss. This ensures that you have points of recovery in case similar incidents occur again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.